Hello friends! BMW M5 G90. BMW has been testing prototypes of the facelift model for quite some time now. The car is currently undergoing road tests, and thanks to recent spy photos, we now have a more accurate idea of what it will look like. The premiere is expected in 2027. Enjoy watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.